Here's what you need to know about what is a content filter. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A content filter inspects network traffic and blocks, or allows it based on rules about what the data contains. Organizations use content filters to prevent employees from accessing harmful websites, block malware downloads, and enforce acceptable use policies. Content filters can operate at the DNS level, the URL level, or by inspecting packet payloads. Key concept: URL and category blocking. Content filters maintain databases of URLs organized into categories such as adult content, gambling, or social media. Administrators block entire categories with a single rule. Key concept: deep packet inspection. Advanced content filters use DPI to examine the actual payload of packets, not just the destination address. This catches malware hidden inside web traffic or encrypted tunnels. Key concept: allow lists and block lists. Admins create allow lists, always permit these sites, and block lists, always deny these sites. These override category rules for exceptions or critical business sites. Key concept: DNS filtering. DNS-based filtering resolves domain lookups against a reputation database. Malicious or blocked domains return NX domain instead of an IP, preventing the connection before it starts. Let's look at the full breakdown. DNS filtering blocks at DNS resolution stage, fast, low overhead, cannot inspect HTTPS payload. URL filtering blocks by full URL or category, requires SSL inspection for HTTPS, more granular than DNS. DPI filtering inspects packet payload content, catches malware and data exfil, higher processing overhead, proxy-based, traffic routed through proxy, full SSL TLS inspection possible, can add authentication layer. Here's a real-world example. A school district deploys a DNS content filter on its network. When a student's device tries to visit a gaming site, the DNS query returns a block page instead of the real IP. The filter logs every blocked attempt, and the IT admin reviews weekly reports to refine category rules. Teachers' devices are placed in a separate policy group with fewer restrictions. Quick recap before you go. 1. Content filters block or allow traffic based on URL, category, or payload content. 2. DNS filtering blocks connections at the resolution stage, fast but limited. 3. URL filtering uses category databases to block entire classes of sites. 4. DPI inspects packet payloads to catch malware and data exfiltration. 5. Allow lists and block lists override category rules for exceptions. That's what is a content filter covered. Exam tip: know the difference between DNS filtering, blocks at resolution, no payload inspection, and DPI filtering, inspects full content, higher overhead. The exam may ask which method catches malware inside HTTPS traffic. The answer is DPI with SSL inspection. Next up, what is a patch panel? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.